Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. What I have here is a chicken tikka sandwich. It's from a restaurant called Kathi roll. Looks like it's got kind of a panini look to it, like a pressed type sandwich. Really excited about this. Chicken tikka, if you're familiar with chicken tikka masala, it's a popular Indian dish. This is the chicken tikka sandwich, so I'm excited. This will be the first time I've ever had chicken tikka in a sandwich. All right, it's got the look. I'm not for sure what's on there. Maybe a cilantro, not really sure, but the look, it's got the look. Dear Lord, thank you for this meal. Chicken is thoroughly seasoned, and it's definitely that tikka masala flavor. It's got a nice bite to it. The sauce is very creamy, incredibly creamy, and it's such a nice complement with that chicken. It's got a little onion in there too, which is nice. I really like the heat level. I really like the tender chicken. It's totally seasoned. Sauce is good. This is a really good sandwich. I like the white bread. 8.5 out of 10.